Week in the life of a cute married couple. Charis! Hey Casa Buddies! Great morning! It's us again with a mini vlog. Grabe ang sarap simulan ng week, no? New week, new doors, everything new. Thank you, Lord. Sunday, ito nag-chicken wings lunch. Grabe, parang gutom na gutom kami dyan. Tapos, we tried this newly opened na coffee shop. Ang sarap ng coffee. At ngayon lang kami ulit nakalabas with friends. Sobrang na-enjoy namin tong time na to. We laughed our hearts out. Grabe, ang sarap talagang tumawa. Nakakamiss. Tapos, sa hapon tinuloy na namin yung naudlot naming Christmas party with friends. Kaya ayan, kita nyo dyan, mag-exchange gift pa lang kami. Pak! Monday na. Monday, super whole day yung planning. Every year kasi, we have this planning to, of course, strategize. Ika nga, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Pero in between that day, mag-client viewing din kami. And finally, na-meet ko na din tong sobrang bait naming client. Thank you again, sir. Sobrang daming ganap that day, kaya nakalimutan ko nang mag-video. Ang cute talaga. Super long day, kaya after no, nag-dinner kami sa favorite biryani place. Try nyo to. Ang sarap. Lasang authentic. Yes, alam mo naman talagang food vlogger. Tuesday, today may client appointments ulit. Kaya back to work agad. Sobrang late lunch na din yan. Actually, parang dinner na yan kasi late na nga natapos. Pero ang saya namin kasi we discovered this kainan in Baliwag. Pagpasok namin, damang-dama ang peaceful life in the province. Wednesday, new day again. Early meeting ulit. Grabe no? Kung kailan ka nagmamadali, saka may detour. Life talaga, grabe. After nyan, quick lunch lang din and then back to planning ulit with a team. Share ko lang itong isa sa favorite naming meeting place / tambayan place kasi nga nandito na talaga lahat. Anyway, food, coffee, convenience store, plus ang pinaka-paborito ko dito yung comfort room nila kasi ito talaga hinahanap ko lagi sa mga pinupuntahan kasi sobrang linis at bonus na very aesthetic pa. Thursday, business meeting with our partner developer. Napakaganda ng place. Dito yan sa Mill House, sa Baliwag. At syempre, sobrang exciting din ang mga mangyayari this year with our partner developer. Ayan, I had a chance to take a picture na din with our president. Thank you so much. Tapos, syempre, super winner din ng food dito sa Mill House as in talaga. Ikot-ikot shot with the team ulit and pack client appointment again. So, viewing lang ulit with the client and presentation. Friday, medyo chill day, puro digital works, bahay ganap. Siyempre, laba-laban din tayo pag may time. Kaya, hindi na namin nakuhanan yun ha. Saturday, buyer's orientation here in Seria. Kaya makikita nyo sobrang daming kliyente. And by the way, napaka-generous talaga ng Seria kasi may pa-catering pa sila every ganyan. Grabe napaka-heartwarming nitong day na ito kasi I had a chance to talk again with our clients and they are super happy and grateful. Kwento nila sa amin kung gaano silang kasaya na finally matutupad na rin yung pangarap nila. For me, higit dun sa mga achievements and awards, ito yung isa sa pinaka-rewarding moment sa lahat ng ginagawa namin. Hi, thank you Lord for this awesome career. Anyway, nakita namin yung balot and pares sa bypass, kaya trinain natin, nakaka-relax na naman yung ganitong view. Ayun yung mga gusto naming pinupuntahan. And that quick, tapos na naman ang isang linggo, kaya ano man yung nangyari kahapon, tapos na yun. Lagi mong tandaan, may disappointment man, may problema, kalungkutan o ano pa man yan, laging may bagong araw at bagong biyaya sa atin sa Lord to start anew. Shalom everyone and God bless you.